Alright guys, so in the last video we went ahead and created our contacts app, we created our model, and we ran the migration, so now we actually have a contacts database table. Now we're going to go to the admin.py here because we want to register our contact model so that we can actually see them in the admin area. So let's go ahead and bring in, we'll say from .models, we want to import contact, and let's do class contact admin and pass in the admin dot model admin, and then we can do our customizations here, and then after that we want to run it through admin dot site dot register, pass in the name of the model contact, and then the name of the class, which is contact admin. Okay, so in here, as far as customizations, let's do our list display. So we've done this before with other models. So list display, I'm going to do ID. Oops, ID. Let's do name. Let's do listing. Okay, so that'll be the actual listing name. Email. And contact date. And if you want to change any of these up, feel free to do that. So now let's do list display links. Which ones do we want to actually be links? And I just want to do ID and name. Okay, let's do search fields. So search fields, I'm going to do name, email, and listing. And then finally, let's do list per page. And that's going to be 25, just like the rest. And that's it. I'm not going to do anything crazy here. So let's save that. And now if we go to our back end, we're going to have to log in. Let's reload this. We're going to have to log in as Brad or whatever your admin user is. And let's go to our home. And now we see contacts. If we click on that, we don't have any contacts, obviously. Now you can add them from here if you want, but I really don't know why you would do this. I guess maybe if you, if someone from the company talked to someone outside of the website, like in real life, and then they wanted to add their information into the admin area, I guess they could do it this way. But for the most part, the contacts that are going to be listed here, they're going to come from that inquiry form in the application. So that's really what this is for. So I'm not going to add any contacts through here. I just wanted to go ahead and add those customizations for the admin area. All right, so in the next video, what I want to do is prepare our inquiry form. So this right here, when I say make an inquiry, I want to do a few things here. We need to change this because this is just hard-coded right now, or just static HTML. I also want to put the name and the email of the logged-in user. If they're logged in, I want that information in there, as well as some hidden fields. So I want to prepare this form in the next video, and then we'll move on to actually submitting it and getting that data into the database. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.